Standing remarkably like Spitfire. Real 30-degree beach, but a subtly different sound. It's still got the sound there. So what's the subtly different sound? A number of people believe that's created by the radiator air intake, where air is drawn in over the radiator. Some people believe it's caused by wind possibly moving the air. You only have to sort of like big ones don't do that, they don't make that sound. Fascinating story about a suspicion went out to the States. Massive British damage in North. And what we were looking for was all different types of aircraft that the Americans were producing at the time to see if they would be suitable for Royal Air Force to fly.